Hey everybody, happy Valentine's Day. Petra hair from Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. Today is hang tag day. Washed all these bundles and I'm getting ready to sort through them. Y'all, look at all this luscious hair. Get ready to sort through them and hang tag them, put the hang tags on them. This body wave. This is Raw Indian body wave. Let's see. They're all blended together. I just got to go through them. Body wave there. But anyway, just thought I'll do this video while I am hang tagging these bundles. I am wearing Raw Indian Straight, 2 bundles and a frontal, 13x4 frontal. Can't remember the inches. I've had this hair in for a while. This is my 4th sewing with this hair. This is hair that I really damaged when I was bleaching it. So I get a lot of just some short strands that come out. But I don't complain too much because I know I damaged it and it's still so full that I don't need a whole lot of hair. I don't wear like big poofy hair. So for me, this is way enough hair. So I've been using like a hydration shampoo. Not my silicone mix that I like. Usually I just do that to wash the hair initially. But Urban Hydration is the name of the product. Yeah, I've been using that and it's been helping. It's been helping maintain the softness and less shedding. Just like if your own hair, if you really damaged it, you have to use a product to help to restore that moisture. Because it sheds because it's dry. And I know that it's because of my damage because I usually get like a lot of short strands all over the place. So it's not like a full strand coming out the weft. But anywho, what else do I want to talk about while I'm going to hang tag? I want to talk about just having a hair business, y'all. Ooh-wee. It is a lot of work. And I put my blood, sweat, and tears into this business. I wash every bundle. I inspect and wash every wig. I try all the hair myself. You guys, this is raw hair. That means it's hair coming from one donor. So your bundles may not be the same color. Like, look at these grays. I don't know if you can really see them, but they're different shades of gray. Hey, Big Daddy, just doing a video as I'm hang tagging. So just to show y'all, let you know, but raw hair just comes in all the, you might say you want curly, and you might get 3 bundles of curly, but it'll be 3 different curl patterns because it's actually coming from different donors. And then I wanted to just hit on something regarding the wigs. The wigs are usually consisting of maybe 2 bundles and either a closure or frontal. So knowing that, you're going to get hair mixed in it. It might be from potentially 3 different people. I've had a lot of talk about red strands. I don't know where in the industry the whole red strand thing came about to signify that the hair is fake. But I did a video with my sister. I was at her house. I think we were cooking something for Christmas. And I wanted to show you guys how red strands come from Indian women that put henna in their hair. And they use it as a conditioner. But it makes their gray strands red. So I had a customer recently that she said that the wigs were fake because she found a few red strands in the wig. One thing I can guarantee is I did go to India. I did look at the hair. I did see how they actually cut it off their head. I saw the process of the women sitting there pulling out as much gray strands as they could and pulling out red because they know in America, we complain that if there's too many gray strands, if there's too many red strands, we say the hair is fake. The hair is not fake. Now, I don't know if in China they might have added fillers that were red, and that's where this all came from. But when you're buying hair from Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair, and you see red strands in your hair, now granted, I do inspect the wigs, and I do see a few in there, and I can pick them out myself. But see, I don't want to pull one out after the hair was already weft, and that might start a whole bunch of confusion. If I pull one strand out, that might start a whole set of strands coming out because I might have pulled the wrong strand. I don't know. But I just leave it because it's not like the hair is just red. It's just a few strands. And I know women in India use henna. And so when you're dealing with raw hair, you might get some red strands in the hair. Now, if I was there and we had bulk hair, which is just loose strands, and I saw red, I would get rid of all the red because I know here in America, we have however this came about, we think red strands is fake hair. But red strands are not fake hair. Red strands come from using henna. As I showed that video of my sister at Christmas time with all the red strands because she loves her henna. And it does make the gray hair or your lighter hair, it makes it look red. Anyway, just wanted to kind of say that, let you guys, know about all that. But anyway, I washed hair. You see hair hanging, that's also Indian. So this weekend I'm doing all of the Indian hair. So I'm hang tagging it. So when I wash it, I use the silicone mix. It's a deep conditioner, moisturizing shampoo, and then I soak it in a deep conditioner for several hours. And I do that because I want to see how the hair is going to behave. I run my fingers through. I even use a fine tooth comb. I use this comb, and I comb through these bundles, y'all, because I want to see what's going to happen. And I'm always so happy because nothing's coming out. I might have a strand every now and then, but for the most part, it's not like a whole bunch of shedding and things like that. So I'm happy about that. Yeah. So I'm going to get ready to hang tag this hair. And since it's not alive, I guess I won't keep a video going for that long about hang tagging, putting your hang tags on this hair. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted y'all to see how beautiful this Indian hair is. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if that light is affecting you guys from seeing, but let me angle it a little differently. And maybe you could see it better. I don't know. But anyway, we are down here handling our business, getting hair organized. It's Sunday. And yeah, when you're a business owner, every day got to either be Valentine's or every day got to be Sunday. It's a work day. So yeah, look at these beautiful curls. Anyway, you guys, we'll post this video. Comment below. We're going to probably post it on YouTube as well. I'm not sure. But yeah, if you see it and you have questions, definitely comment. When you comment on YouTube, it triggers to us so we know that you have a question. We're always available to you guys. You can call us. We may not return your call within 24 hours because we're busy. We don't have a call service or, customer service, I should say, team that just sits there waiting to answer the call. So please don't be upset with us if we don't pick up the phone right away. Leave a detailed message. And also shoot us an email. Usually those pop up on my phone, so it'll be quicker for me to see that, because that pops up on my personal phone as well as the business phone. But on my personal, I always have my personal. I don't always have the business phone. And I know I'm running a business, I should always have the business phone. But I also work a regular 9 to 5 because the business, it's going to be my 100% job. So I don't want to say it's a side hustle. This is my passion. Selling good quality hair, providing you guys with hair that is just beautiful and long lasting, and you can damage it and it'll still behave. Yeah, and I get on the phone with you guys, answer your questions. But yeah, leave a voice message, shoot me even a text on that other number. And also, like I said, if you send an email, I get it on my personal phone. So I can, answer that, sooner than later. But again, it's only been 7 minutes, so I'll give it a little more so we can post it on YouTube. We definitely need you to give us thumbs up so our videos can post in a timely manner on YouTube. I want you to like or dislike and give us your comments. Like, what is it you want to see? We're thinking of getting clip-ins. We're branding our lashes. We've been experimenting with these lashes for a while. I don't have any on right now. I actually just took them off because we just came back home. Just took them off. And yeah, we like those lashes that we're going to start selling. And I'm going to do a video with those, with our new brand on there and everything. And those lashes, I've been able to keep them on for days. I had contacts in today and it was messing with my eyes. So when I was messing with the contact, I pushed the lash. I did the most, so I had to take it out, y'all. So anyway, now we're down back to business, back to the workspace. So yes, I'm going to hang tag these and bag them up and yeah, get them ready for you guys. I think we have a sale going today. I don't keep up with that. My sister, my other family members, this is definitely a family business. They all pitch in, they all help, and they're doing a phenomenal job. And I think we have 40% off or something. Today is Sunday, so you might not get this video until after Valentine's. So apologies. I guess I should have went live, but yeah. Get ready to get the hang tagging. Appreciate you guys.